Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sneha Divekar and I am a sports dentist. I am a consulting sports dentist at various schools, colleges and sports clubs in Pune, and I am the faculty dentist at the Institute of Sports Science and Technology, Pune. We are beginning here a series of dental care lectures on sports dental care or dental care of athletes. Usually, athletes tend to neglect their oral care and so do their coaches and parents. Oral care issues of athletes, dental injury prevention by use of mouth guards is not given that much importance and not many athletes are aware about this. That is why it is very important to conduct a lecture series regarding this. I am planning a 5 lecture series and the first topic of today's is what exactly is this sports dentistry all about? What is the importance and what all things are included in sports dental care of the athlete? Sports dentistry is basically prevention and management of orofacial or dentofacial injuries of athletes and dental treatments of associated oral care issues of athletes. India is basically a diverse population where many types of sports are played across the country. Cricket and football are the most popular sports. Hockey is the national game of our country. There are many medals where India has won, like in badminton, kabaddi, hockey, etc. Thus, we can say that basically sports is becoming an important socio-economic component of our country. So we all know that what benefits sports has, like gaining fitness, reducing risk of diseases. All are aware about all this, but there is very little attention paid to the unwanted side effects of injuries, especially dentofacial injuries, mainly seen in the athletes during playing contact sports. So it is very important to make everyone, especially the coaches, parents, even the dentists themselves, to make them aware about all these issues. So coming back again, why is sports dentistry important? That is because 50% of athletes could get a dental injury by the time they graduate. There are many studies done on dentofacial injuries in sports, and some of them clearly say that around 5 million teeth are lost annually in various sporting events. Okay, so athletes basically don't realize what are the implications of such dental injuries or any serious head and neck injuries, what repercussions will it have on their life. Okay, so now let us see what is the impact of these dentofacial injuries on the athlete. The most important impact is physical and the psychosocial impact. In the dental injuries, there is crown and root fracture. The tooth gets luxated or avulsed. Okay, there can be certain injuries to the soft tissues like bruises, lacerations, cuts to the face or lips, etc. And there can be serious injuries to the brain, concussion as well. All these issues can lead to facial deformity and hence it can have a great psychosocial impact on the athlete's mind. It can reduce the athlete's confidence and self-esteem. It can lead the athlete into depression, anxiety, hostility, etc. Now, let us see what can be the economic considerations of these dentofacial injuries. Rehabilitation of these dental and facial injuries needs to spend about thousands and lakhs of rupees have to be spent. So these injuries are a burden to the athletes, parents, the family or the caregivers. These injuries and the rehabilitation, even if one or two teeth are lost, the rehabilitation takes years and about thousands of rupees are spent. Also, in India, there is still a social stigma over facial disfigurement, especially in cases of professional athletes who are in the limelight due to their events and tournaments. So, it generally affects the entire life of the athlete. That is why it is very important to introduce sports dentistry to the dentists and the athletes alike. Am I the only one who is talking about mouth guards and recommending mouth guards? No. All the dental associations all over the world, like the American Dental Association, the Australian Dental Association, etc. All of them recommend mouthguard use for prevention of dental injuries in sports. But is sports dentistry only about recommending mouthguards to the athletes? No. There are basically three things that are involved in sports dentistry. Mainly injury prevention with the help of mouthguards, dental treatments for the dental issues of the athletes, emergency and long-term management of the various dental injuries. So in my next lecture, I am going to mainly talk about what is a mouthguard and what are the various types of mouthguards and how to take care of them. So see you soon in the next lecture. I am Dr. Sneha Divekar signing off today. Thank you so much.